Everybody form a line. Johnny may say. Yeah, we. Okay. All right. Yeah, we forming a line, you know. Yep. Everybody, we forming a line. You're not on TikTok, but TikTok, you don't stop and you don't quit. TikTok, you don't stop and you don't quit. I'll be gone in the field, you know. Okay. So you know you're on the show. Yeah. It's on Facebook and it's going to eventually be on YouTube. I'll tell you what I need to tell you when I start filming. All right. TikTok, you don't stop. All right. Oh, it's Solomon here, y'all. Hey, what up, Solomon, bro? How's everything, bro? You on the show? Facebook Live. All right. So yeah, so. All right. Everybody form a line. They said we forming a line. All right. Yeah. We would have two parties, one by my house and one over here too. It would be a split. It would definitely be a split. Yep. Oh, not right now. Now, I mean, what you want to say? Anybody want to say hi to? Okay. Ava, you want to say hi to somebody? Okay. You want to say hi to somebody? Okay. I know I'm not Drew Carey though, but Drew Carey always asks contestants every time they spin the wheel if they want to say hi to somebody. I'm not Drew Carey. I'm Domino. Well, you know who I am. All right. Yep. Naomi, you want to eat, sweetie pie?
Jay, they got corn, sausage, and potatoes.
Oh, Shantae. Hey, Shantae. Oh, Shantae. Do they have pizza?
No pizza today.
Okay. I got you to say that on purpose, right? Yeah. So you on TV, you can saying it. All right. Jenny, you want to say hi to anyone? All right. Yo, Ronnie. Anybody want to say hi to? I know I'm not Drew Carey, but I. And Ashante, anybody want to say hi to? Look at Bubblegum face. Raven, hey Raven. You on TV? All right. Hey Tiffany. Guess how I got here?
Ain't nobody had no purse right here.
Tiffany. Guess how I got here? Take a guess. Take a guess how I got here.
This is my purse right here. Whoa.
Take a guess how I got here. Take a guess. Take a guess.
On the bus.
Yep, there you go.
I already know.
Yeah. And guess what? Yeah, well, you already knew that part, huh? All right. Yeah, like I told the people at the bus station, RTA is my life, you know? Yes, indeed, y'all. I just love catching the RTA, you know? Oh, snap. Look. I almost tripped right here, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's a fire hazard, you know? Look at that. Cutie pie. Little one. Say little. Say, I'll show you little. Oh, yeah. I got that from that TV show from years ago, Bill Cosby show. when this man that played Howard Cunningham, he said, little, I'll show you little, I'll show you little. Yeah. Okay, a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Little. Say, I'll show you little. She said, say, I'll show you little. Oh, Deonka watching. Let me see if I can bring Deonka on. Let me see. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can add Deonka on. Cause she. Oh yeah. Yeah. Who we got to lose? I wait for Deonka to come on. I don't know if she's gonna come on. Who we got to lose? Jeez. Well, I guess Deonka ain't gonna pick up. Oh well. Oh wait, let's see. Oh, I'm requesting up. Oh, and she declined. Oh, Deonka, why you decline? Oh my gosh. I'm with my family. See, if Deonka, if you're still watching, okay. All right. Yeah, Deonka, if you're watching. Oh yeah, my friend Deonka's watching, y'all. Say to Deonka, my friend.
Oh, I'm sorry. What you
She at work. I'm sorry, D. Oh yeah, my friend Deonka watching. You want to say hi to her? Deonka Stokes. Oh, she. Hello. Yeah.
Look at that shit right there, unlocked.
Hey, all right. She at work, so that's why she declined. Yo, Solomon, you on the show? You want Deonka? What you want to say?
I ain't want to smoke in the garage.
Oh, you want to say to Deonka? Deonka Stokes. She watching. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, she at work. That's why she had declined. So I ain't mad at her for declining, y'all. So, better. Oh look. No addition in the family. Say hey. Oh, it's too early. Oh snap. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, I'll tell you what I want. Well, I gotta go right quick. I'll be back.